Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. Today I will be exposing my full Memecoin diving strategy and showing you exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month from creating coins instead of trading them. While most people are out here buying coins and getting dumped on every single coin, I am on the other side collecting the fees and making money from their buys on my own terms on all the coins that I launch. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process live, the narrative, the launch, the liquidity pool, and then how to cash out. I will be doing a real example with real numbers and no gatekeeping. I am not selling a course or promoting anything. I am just showing you exactly how I make money. That's it, that's all, let's go. And by the way bro, I am not a LARP. I do know what I'm talking about. I've made my entire portfolio from deving meme coins, and that's exactly why I am making this video. I just want to show you how I make my money. That's it, that's all. Keep watching if you want to become profitable. Now let me expose the markets while educating you guys on exactly why traders lose a bunch of money. The truth is that the entire market is rigged. Most of these coins that are being created, they end up going nowhere because most of the time they just pump and then they dump, just like this coin right here. This is a perfect example. You will find this exact pattern in almost every single coin that is being created, because the truth is that when they pump, the dev of the coin dumps on everyone and all the traders lose thousands of dollars. That's exactly why a bunch of devs are not even profitable in the first place. It's because of these schemes right here. That's exactly why I transitioned to deving, because now I am the one risk-free launching these coins without worrying about anything. I am the one launching viral coins, and at the very peak I just cash out and I rinse and repeat that over and over again. Sometimes I launch 2 coins a day, 10 coins, 20 coins a day. It's actually insane that you can make money from deving coins without risking a dime. But trading though, you have to risk your money in every single buy, and you have no clue if the chart is going to dump or pump. So the point I'm trying to say is that you guys have to start deving, or at least try it out for a couple coins. That's why in this video I will show you exactly how to find narratives, how to launch it, and then how to cash out with a live example right after. For the second half of the video, you guys will see me potentially make money from a launch. So let's get straight into it bro. I am the only guy on YouTube making a video like this. And by the way, I am not a financial advisor. This video is purely for educational purposes only, so do your own research. Let's go. Yeah. Now look, the first step is to decide where you are going to launch your meme coin. Now I do not want you to fall into the trap that most devs make. Most devs launch their coins on Pump.Fun. It is the most popular DEX on the Solana blockchain. Here is where all the coins are being launched. I mean most of the coins, okay? There's like hundreds of thousands of coins being created every single day on this DEX, and that's exactly why I do not launch here. It's oversaturated and there is too much competition. Most of these coins, they go nowhere, they get no buyers, and for that reason I do not launch here. And on top of that, Pump.Fun does take a cut from your creator fees. So I have a alternative launchpad which has way more potential for every single coin that you launch. I make my coins on Raydium, which means I launch into the migrate section immediately, reaching tens and thousands of potential people to buy my coin. When a coin goes to Raydium bro, it gains more trust and just more people to buy your coin, just more attention. Like this coin right here, it's absolutely going nuts, all because it was launched to Raydium. Now to launch on Raydium, do not use Pump.Fun but use memecreate.io. It's the best launchpad. Every single coin that you make here will go to Raydium immediately, reaching thousands of people like I said, and that's why people are gatekeeping this exact launchpad. Now let me show you exactly how to make a coin. You could either create a whole new coin from scratch right here. You can also use their completely free X tracker and turn tweets into coins basically. So for example, if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted, you could be the first ever dev to create that coin directly right here. But in this video, we will be utilizing the copy trending coins method right here. It's my favorite strategy. I would say that I made 80% of my entire portfolio from this method right here. Basically, every single coin here has a viral narrative and is going viral on Pump.Fun. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, you can just copy one that is already working and relaunch that coin to Raydium instead to get a bunch of attention, and that attention could lead into buyers into your coin by using these narratives. Let me show you how to do it, bro. Right now, let's go. Alright, now it's time for the second half of the video, and that is to do a live dev to show you what's possible. Let's go, connect your Phantom wallet, and now let's see which coin we could copy. I usually just copy a random coin and I go with the flow, so I'm gonna just go for this one, Flower AI. Click on copy the Raydium, your Phantom will show up, ignore the block. Okay, it's completely normal. Every launchpad will get the same exact warning from Phantom. It's normal. Click on proceed, confirm. I understand right here, confirm, and the coin will be created. Okay, just wait. Bang. And if you go on SoulScan, for example, you don't have to, by the way, you guys can see that it's minted and created on the Solana blockchain, so you know that it's legit. But yeah, let's create our liquidity pool. Now here is where we allocate our supply for our coin, and when the pool will be created, it will be live in front of Raydium. Well, it will be in the Raydium DEX. That's the whole point of creating the Raydium liquidity pool. Now, the first step right here is for the amount of coins. Click on 90% allocation. This is what I do for all my coins. That's why, that's what I do, okay? For the amount of soul to pair, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 soul. So I'm going to put 0.3 for example, and guys, make sure you have at least 0.3, 0.5 in your wallet. That is all what you need for a coin, and you are not going to lose this. At the end of the launch, it will come back, but you just need to exchange this temporarily for some supply. Like that, you can make profits as a dev. But yeah, it's not a big deal. Click on create pool. Your Phantom is going to show up. Just wait. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh and then scroll down, and bang, the flower coin is live. Your P&L is going to show up right there, and yes, it is live. If you want to see how much you're up on your counter, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, in the span of 20 seconds or like under a minute, I would say, we're already up $191 because people are buying our coin actively right now. They're aping in. That is a good sign. Most coins on Raydium, they fly instantly, so this is a good sign. Now go on Photon, go on Axiom, go on your trading platform, okay, go wherever you want, and the coin should be live. Load in, come on, bang, it's live. Oh, it dumbed down, but it's not a big deal. More and more people. Oh my god, it's pumping. Never mind, guys. It's pumping. This is exactly what I mean. Bro, look at this. Oh my god. So many people are buying in. We're up like more than 200 now, like maybe like 800 bucks in profits if I had to guess right now. This is insane, and I have people in my Discord server launching like 20 coins a day. So just imagine this times 20. Like, there's serious money to be made. It's a multi-million-dollar industry, so like it's insane. Like, bro, I am risking nothing at all, and now we're getting a bunch of buyers. All you have to do from now on is just wait and let the coin marinate, let it pump, let more and more people see your coin, and yeah. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, now I'm back, and as you guys can see, the chart absolutely is crazy. It's so bullish right now. Let's cash out our profits. Let's see how much we made within like 5 minutes. Come back to memecreate.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much we're up. And as you guys can see, we are up $2.36 thousand in USD, by the way. These are real numbers, okay, on our Memecoin. Now click on the minus button, do 100% to remove liquidity. Wait for your Phantom Light to show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm. And bang, bro! I just dumped the coin, and I just showed you exactly how. Bang! It's right here, guys. It's in my Phantom wallet. We received the money from our coin within like 5 minutes. Now obviously, if you make a coin after this video, you might make way more or way less or the same thing. The results will vary. That's what I'm saying. Okay, you guys have to be consistent though. Even though you make like 500 or $100 on one coin, you still have to be consistent and launch more and more coins. More people are going to start, you know, tracking your wallet. Your portfolio will compound and gain more traction. And yeah, bro, the point I'm trying to say is that you guys have to stay consistent. Memecreate.io will be linked down below. So yeah, bro, enjoy, stay consistent, and join my Discord. Peace out. It is not financial advice. Cap.